I'm Stuart Hanna. I'm Technical Services Manager for HMS Industrial Network. We have a long history with Routeco. They're one of our longest standing distributors, so we're happy to be at this event. It's been very good for us, and Routeco have done a great job in attracting customers for us. So, yeah, it's been a great experience.
Hi, my name is Miles Haneke. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the UK for ProSoft Technology. We're here today with Routeco, who are our premier partner in the UK. We've been working with them now for over 25 years, and the relationship has gone from strength to strength. We're very happy to be working with Routeco, and even more happy to be here today.
Hi, I'm Drew Allen with Grace Engineered Products. We are based in Davenport, Iowa, and we do electrical safety solutions. Routeco keeps a wide range of stock on the shelf.
Hi, my name's Herbert Bentley. I'm Corporate Account Manager working for Retail Limited. Our partnership with Routeco is very, very strong, and it's a very valued partnership, as Routeco are one of our biggest distributors in the UK.
Hi, I'm Pete Humphries from SMC Pneumatics. We're based in the UK. We formed a partnership with Routeco around about 8 months ago, and I think for me a partnership probably consists of three main things: trust, mutually beneficial relationship, and the people. And I think on all those three counts we've struck up a good partnership, and I think we're excelling in what we're trying to achieve.